National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Talladega County in central Alabama until 2:48 p.m. At 2:28 p.m., a confirmed, large, extremely dangerous and confirmed deadly tornado was located over Winterboro, moving northeast to 80 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency for Talladega. This is a mass casualty situation. Numerous homes, businesses, and vehicles will be flattened and unrecognizable to survivors. If you are outside, a ditch cannot protect you. Try to find the nearest building and get this